Action!
You can't do that. Hi, everybody.
Action.
Hi, everybody. It's me, Jen. I'm back with my newest toy. It's the Cricut Maker. Now, I know I'm late to the party, but I wanted to share it with you anyway. It took me a while to decide on whether or not I wanted to upgrade, because I do currently have the Cricut Explorer Air 2. However, I use it on a daily basis, so I've kind of beaten it up to the point where it was either get another one or upgrade to the Maker, and I figured why not. The Cricut Explorer Air 2 is perfectly fine for what I do on a daily basis, which is a lot of HTV for t-shirts and other items, and a lot of adhesive vinyl for drinkware, ornaments right now that we're in December, and a lot of other items. However, a lot of my customers will come to me and send me a picture and say, hey, can you do this? Or can you do something similar? And I'm totally fine with stepping out of the box, stepping out of my comfort zone, and trying new things. So I'm hoping that with the Maker, I'll be able to cut more fabrics. I'll be able to cut different materials such as the balsa wood and everything else it promises, since it is 10 times stronger and has 10 times more force. And of course the adaptive tool system, which allows you to have all these different blades and cutters to cut different materials. So let's dive in, shall we? Okay, so it's finally out of the box after a little fumbling around and trying to look graceful, and it wasn't working. But any event. First thing I noticed right off the bat, obviously, is the difference from the Explorer Air 2 is there's no longer that little section for your cartridge. If you're old school Cricut like me, you used to buy cartridges and then stick them in to tie them to your design space, and so that's gone. This is now just two areas for your tools. And then one of the other big differences that I noticed is on my Explorer Air 2, there was literally a button that says open, and that's how you would open your machine, but not with this one. So you lift here and voila. It's like so satisfying, isn't it, just to watch it open like that. And I know this right here is this almost like a trough. That's for your iPad if you want to put it up here, or your phone if you're working on a design. And then of course we have our A and B where our blades go in, and our pens and markers. And of course the other big difference is there's no longer a dial. So we have just our power, insert and eject our mat, our Cricut, and then our pause button. So definitely big differences in terms of operations and functionality, and how you work with the machine versus the Explorer Air 2. What's included from what I can see is the adapter. They've got two mats. We've got a pink and our blue mat. And then we have what looks like our accessory box. So move this over. Yes. So we've got our rotary blade. So it looks like we have our probably knife blade or fine tip blade there. They include the rotary. We've got some links. Looks like they also include, here's your wire, and they also give you a fine point pen just so you can play around trying different things. And then this is materials for your first project. So we have a little fabric sample, little polka dots on it, a thicker almost 80 or 110 pound cardstock. And this too, this is a thicker cardstock that has some texture on it. This is, like I said, this is just going to be a quick one, unboxing, show you my new toy here that I'm excited about, and excited about trying new projects, trying new materials, trying new things. Going forward, I'm going to start doing all the tutorials using the Maker. And so I would love to know any feedback, any questions that you have. And I will be working on our next video. If you have any questions, let me know, but I will be coming out with the next video soon, working on a little project, and we'll be going, hopefully, a new project every week from then on forward. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing my new little Maker here. I would love to know if any of you have been using the Maker or thinking about upgrading to the Maker. I would love to know your experience, if you've already been using it, if you love it, if you think it was worth the upgrade. And for some of you who are thinking about making the dive in general, do you think you'd go straight to the Maker or would you stop at the Explore too? Anyway, thanks. See you next time. Bye, guys.